let's say a mother, she doesn't know who got her pregnant. Somebody suggested that, well, maybe the mom could put the child in her name until she figures it out. And you know what's funny? Okay, here's this. A 2019 report by a company called Polygenics Consulting. It's a Jamaican DNA company. So it says that since 2015, of all the tests conducted, it showed that 70% were not the father. Jamaican woman, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. We have to stop this. And that's 7 out of 10. So for every 10 picnic, 7 don't belong to the man. That's not right. That is not right. That's unacceptable, ladies. And while this is alarming and it's a national issue, I'm not quite sure if it should be made